Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Ralph's Automotive. Hadn't had a video in a little while, so I figured I'd bring you along with this one. Pretty quick and dirty. The reason why we're making it is if you this vehicle here is about to go get a wheel alignment. It's pulling, so I'm gonna show you how to put the cam bolts in. We'll get them lined out and get them put on. I figured if you want to save yourself a little money, this vehicle here is here for an oil change, by the way, and I told them I was gonna zip them cam bolts in there real quick, and if you guys want to do the same thing, save yourself a little money. I don't know, I don't make no claims, I'm not talking about anybody, or don't mean to, but when you go to a alignment shop, a lot of times, at least sometimes, and back up, sometimes it's rather expensive for them to do all that work. So it's normally cheaper to get just a base plane alignment, and that'll be the end of it. Go ahead and pull them lug nuts off, but I'm doing one at a time. I'm not going to pull the wheel off on the other side yet. If you buy the bolts, as far as ordering them in online, go ahead and get 2 of them. Do both sides. You need it, you need it. You don't, you don't. But fact of the matter is, if you do need it, it's in there. Damnest thing I've ever seen. Cool this morning, almost cold, and now it's warming up. It's about mid-60s outside right now. Darn near the middle of November, and we got mid-60s outside. Yep, I like it. But anyway, get you up a little bit closer here. What we're after. Make sure we see that. What we're after here is that fellow right there. That should be natively, that should be about a 14 mil bolt. Not a 14 millimeter headed bolt, it's a 14 millimeter bolt. I think there is actually different kinds of them, so that'd be worth knowing. I don't like doing that. That'll hurt your hand. That is a 21. I'm going to go ahead and be a wuss about it and actually use my ratchet. And don't worry, nothing is going to move. Struts on this thing has actually been replaced 4 years ago, something. 4 years ago. I don't know how good the struts are. I didn't really, to be honest, I didn't check. But anyway, remove your top bolt. Let me zoom you out. That's kind of stupid being zoomed in like that. Remove your top bolt. I use the SPC. There's your number. Or I am using the SPC on this one here. A lot of times I order the Moog online. I keep some of them here, but I didn't have any more this time around. As the bolt sits right here with the tab, what we're needing to do is locate This bolt, the reason it's called a cam bolt is because it's got a cam right here. And when we roll that bolt against its shoulder here, we can go plus or minus about 1.74 degrees on this particular bolt here. What that amounts to, we're going to have to lock it in. We'll have to lock the tab in. And this bolt now traps, so we could actually adjust it like that. So what we're doing for the purpose of the video right now is we're just going to lock that in just like so, and that's done. That's all we're doing here. The alignment shop will take care of the rest of it. Let me figure out what size that is. That's a 19. I suspect it to be a 19, I guess. Yeah, that's a 19. I missed that one. That's a, it doesn't matter, the different manufacturers, different sizes, so can't really, it doesn't matter what it is. Whoopsie. Whoopsie again. Well, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I lied again, that is an 18. Actually, ha! Okay, I lied, this is an 18. Oh well, be okay. But anyway, the way that works is the alignment shop, they'll put this, they'll loosen this up, they loosen the bottom up, and they can crank on this part right here, and that's what makes it adjustable. So. This thing here going for the alignment right away. Of course, I don't do alignments here. I got another shop doing it for me. I'll get this tightened up. And that is side number 1, and that's the only one I'm going to film. Fact of the matter is, I was just going to show you basically where to put them. And that's how you put them in there. And this part here done, the wheel is ready to go back on, and well, that's about the end of the video. I figured I'd share that. Maybe somebody can use it, maybe not, don't know. Comments, know where to put them, like, subscribe. Till the next time.